Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access device settings and scroll down. Over here, select passwords and biometrics, click on add face and enter your current login method. Then choose continue and remember to be still. Then select done. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!